friends, how are you? Welcome to our YouTube channel Kanak Infosystem LLP. Today my topic is how to set Flutter mobile app launcher icon. First, create Flutter mobile app. This is my Flutter project with default Flutter icon, in which tell you how to set custom icon. This is Flutter launcher icon dependency. Then first copy this dependency. Then after paste the app terminal and paste this dependency. We will see, add this dependency, get the in readme file. And now copy this code, we'll copy and then open a YAML file and paste this code, then add your image path, your icon path. This is my icon. Set icon path. That's underscore icon dot png. Path to set image Android and same as image iOS. Set YAML. Then after copy this command, then paste terminal this command, then after run the app. You can see that updated icon that I can added. In this way you can also set your app icon.